about me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Guys, so today I'll be sharing what I eat in a day, quarantine edition. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family. Now without further ado, let's get into it. So usually I'm not into much of a breakfast girl, but lately I've been just obsessed with a nice cream cheese toast. So I just love this one, you guys. I just like my toast to be super crispy. So here I'm just making myself a nice cream cheese toast. So first of all, I put on my toast and I'm gonna let that be toast. While that's toasting, I just brought this plate and I dried it out, and while that's happening here, it's not yet cooked because I just like it to be toast for like while, like a lot longer. So I'm just gonna be waiting for that until that's nice and crispy and toasted. So it toasts both sides, but I like to flip it up. It was super hot, but I still flipped it up, and here I'm waiting. So after 1 minute actually wait time, it is completely toasted, and now I'm about to use the triangle cheese that I like to use, and I'm just gonna do that. But before that, I'm just gonna put my toast, another slice of bread into the toaster, and just gonna spread my cheese on the bread now. While I was doing that, Brownie came in, and here he is. He just loves the cheese, you guys. He likes to lick the wrapping paper, so I like to give him, and here he is licking it. He's so freaking cute. He just comes around to me like, what are you doing? What are you making? I want to eat too. So I give him a little, and here I'm just flipping my toast again. My toast is getting ready. While that gets ready, I just spread the cheese. Also, I washed my hands in between. That's why the footage is changed. I just like to wash my hands in general. I just feel so irritated when, breadcrumbs touch my hand and I just like am doing something. That's why I wash my hands in between quite a few times. That's why you guys see the footage clip change. I'm just gonna cut it in between. You guys, how do you cut your toast? Do you cut it half in between like so, or in a triangle size? Put that in this side pole right over here. How do you like to make your sandwich in a half? Is it triangle or is it square? Lately I've been into square, I don't know why. So I had my sandwich and my cup of tea while watching Miraculous. I've been loving this cartoon. Yep, I'm watching cartoon on Netflix. I just like to watch cartoon in the morning. It's just a strange habit. I just like to do that. So while I'm gonna watch my cartoon, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast. So around 5ish p.m. I went for a walk with my mother. It was so freaking calm and relaxing, guys. It was so much fun getting out of the house for just 5 minutes or so. It's just so much more peaceful. Also here I'm making myself a snack to grab on. Yes, I did not had lunch. I skipped lunch. Usually I don't feel much hungry. Sometimes if I have breakfast, I don't have lunch. I have lunch, I don't have breakfast, if you know what I mean. So yeah, here I'm just grabbing myself a cup and just pouring in nice cup of milk tea, and I'm gonna have it with this snack. It's more like a gamat, if you guys know dumplings. I'll just insert the picture over here, and just pouring honey all over it. Was so freaking good. Oh my gosh, I literally had each and every one of them, and also I like the plate because the honey tasted so freaking good. Oh my gosh, look at this little one. It's around dinner time and I was about to make myself dinner, but I saw this one, just woke up from a nap. He's looking so freaking cute. Gonna be having dinner is ramen, instant ramen, so I'm just gonna be making that for myself. Just pour in water in the pot, letting that nicely simmer up. Until then, I'm making these sauces up nice, and I like to mix the sauces and I like to separate the powder, to the bottom. And here the water is fully boiled and I'm pouring in the noodle. So I like to leave my noodles boil for like 2 minutes. Until then, I add the seasoning and the sauce that includes with the ramen.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Also, you guys, I like to add green chilies in it. I forgot to film that, but I added 2 green chilies in it. Oh my gosh, it tasted so freaking good. It's nice and spicy, and I absolutely love spicy food. If you can tell already, that's why I added 2 freaking chili. So here I am with my food. As you guys can see, there is green chilies in it. That's what I'm talking about. I forgot to film that, but yeah. So I'm gonna be enjoying that and watching the cartoon. You guessed it, Miraculous. I'm binge watching that. I actually finished that season tonight. No joke. Also, I had my food. So here I have Mountain Dew. I also had the food with a drink. It's some sort of a thing. I also have my food with the drink. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family. And don't forget to follow me on my all social platform. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.